Namaskar. Good morning, everyone. Respected Sri Prakash Javadekar ji, former Union Minister of Human Resource Development, Information and Broadcasting, Environment, Forest and Climate Change of Government of India, Mr. Erik Solheim from Norway, who has been Director of the UNESCO Environment Program, Dr. Rajendra Shende, Director, Green TERRE Foundation, Vice Chancellors, Deans, faculty members, and students. I'm extremely delighted to be here in an online mode to talk to you about this very important program on action on carbon neutral campuses. I recollect long ago, while I was the director at College of Engineering, Pune, we started in a small way of how we can prepare ourselves to protect the environment, how we can be contributing towards circular economy, how campuses can be made green, clean, and smart. And this was continued while being the chairman of All India Council for Technical Education by way of creating competition amongst institutions for becoming institutions for being clean, green, as well as smart. Smart in the sense the measurement of whether it is water which is being recycled, circulated, how much of energy generated from the renewable sources like solar, wind, etc. And also how do we keep the environment clean and green in the campus. This was important because unless students are showcased what are the best practices while they are still on the campuses, they will not be able to take forward wherever they go out for jobs, either as employees or if they create their own startups. There must be clearly a commitment from the student side. And that's why both faculty, students, the management were to be involved. That baby step continued in a big way when our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Modi ji, committed for cutting down the emissions by zero, net zero by 2070, COP26 summit, Glasgow summit, all of that commitment, as well as the International Solar Alliance, in which he has been contributing immensely to the world at large, has been a motivating factor for all of us. And Dr. Shende, who came to us and said that we must create this kind of an environment in about 75 university campuses. Under the umbrella of U75, in the year of 75 years of our independence, we decided to target at least 75 universities who will become net zero campuses as early as possible. And that's why action on the carbon neutral front began. And when we started asking or requesting universities, this 75 number has already crossed 100 plus. And we are very happy and delighted about it. But all of these institutions need to be given training about what to do and how to do and what not to do. And therefore, a lot of workshops were desired in all the regions of the country in order to take them along in this journey of excellence, journey of carbon neutrality. And that is where this workshop, the first of its kind, was envisaged to be held in university, and that is Savitribai Phule Pune University in the western region. Similar workshops will be subsequently conducted in the north, east, and the south as well. But this being the first workshop, Dr. Rajendra Shende wanted me to be physically present. I'm really sorry that because of clash of my commitment with the other program, which was pre-scheduled, and this program date got changed, I'm not able to come physically, but my heart and soul is there. Our Honorable Minister, former Minister Sri Prakash Javadekar has been often telling about environment and the protection of environment, creating awareness and creating net zero campuses. We are all together, sir, in this hour of the crisis the whole planet is facing. Our duty towards safeguarding the interest of the entire planet by way of creating green campuses which are environment friendly, which are carbon neutral, become very significant, and therefore this program is going to be a very significant step forward in our achievement of targets which are set up for 2050. With these few words, once again thanking the organizers for inviting me on this occasion. I thank all of you for being committed to this and take oath that we will see to it that nothing or no stone will be unturned till we achieve our target, which is set by our Honorable Prime Minister Modi. Thank you very much. Namaskar.